Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad only way. Start by selecting ripe, firm fruits like apples, berries, mango, and grapes. Wash and dry them thoroughly. Then chop into bite-sized pieces. Mix gently in a large bowl. Add a squeeze of lemon juice and a drizzle of honey for brightness. Toss with fresh mint. Chill briefly to meld flavors, and serve cool in chilled bowls for best texture and taste. Pick a variety of fruits that offer contrast, like sweet mango, tart pineapple, crisp apple, and soft berries for color and flavor contrast. Combine textures so every spoonful feels interesting, and vary sweetness so the dressing ties everything together. Keep fragrance in mind by adding mint or citrus zest. Always taste as you go and adjust sweetness or acidity to make the salad feel bright and harmonious before chilling to serve. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing helpful recipes. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers make meal prep and fruit storage so much easier and less messy, perfect for taking fruit salad on the go or packing lunch. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to try them yourself, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare a simple dressing using fresh lemon juice, a drizzle of honey, and a pinch of salt to brighten flavors without overpowering fruit. Gently toss the fruit to coat evenly, being careful with soft berries. Store the salad in an airtight container to preserve texture and chill for at least 20 minutes to let flavors meld. Serve cold and enjoy within 2 days for peak freshness, stirring gently before plating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.